Good afternoon, welcome to the Wellbeing Garden. Today we are focusing on the flower bed planters here, which this one is being cleared. It's had a few strawberries and daffodil bulbs in it, but we're clearing this one out so we can plant it up with some potatoes tomorrow. We're getting some Japanese students in to give us a hand with that, so that should be fun. And the strawberries that were in this one are being transplanted onto this planter over here where Bethany's working away. So that's the start of today. The daffodils I'm going to steal and put it into my bank over there along with the stolen grasses, etc. So yeah, it adds to my plans for that bank over there to become more and more green. See you later. Well, that was really fun because these daffodils are really deep, and I suspect that if we actually dug them out we'd have to call in the archaeologists. They seem to go that far down, so they just have to stay there. Hey. Now this is quite ridiculous. This is a little corner of the garden where we planted a few hops at the same time as we planted our second hop garden. And this one here, it's far bigger than any of the other ones in our main garden. It's silly. The other ones are only maybe a 6 inches to a foot at the best. Some are still not coming up the ground at all. And this one, it must love this position. It must just love this position with the fence, and I don't know. It's really silly. Really quite. Maybe this should be our main. Maybe this will be our main cropping bunch of hops this year. Let's see how big these get. It's going to be fun to watch.